Hello there and welcome back to another video. My name is Regina. If you're new here, karibu sana. Today I've got a treat for you. So as I sit here surrounded by my own regret of life, I realized that my dresser deserves a better makeover. I mean, why would I want to keep the same boring wood finish when I can take on the task of completely transforming it into a chic black dresser? So let's dive in and see how the nightmare unfolds. So this is the dresser. First things first, let's talk about preparation. I swear, half of any DIY projects is just preparing for it. I'm talking about setting up your workplace, gathering the supplies, and mentally preparing yourself for the torture that you are about to endure. So, step 1, clear out all your drawers. Step 2, remove the paint. Step 3, sand. Step 4, paint. Step 5, you are done. To remove the paint, I'm using thinner. It's funny that the same thinner is used when applying the paint, like to harden the paint, and the same thinner is used to like remove the paint. I don't get it, but anyway, we move regardless. I think the paint that was here equal like, I don't know, 27 layers. So na hii thinner ukipaka it really like dries fast. So I'm trying like to rush juu kwingine nishapaka but imekauka itoki. So I'm thinking nikasirike tu niende ninunue paint ini, that the one that inatoa paint, cause he seems harder than I thought. Am I sanding the whole thing down? So we have progress so far, so let's dive into the drawers. I was really hoping to keep the old molding, but after calling myself to a meeting, we decided to get rid of the molding, and with that idea came my first big mistake. So I was literally forcing the molds out, which meant that somehow I was going to make a lot of dent onto the drawer. So you will see as we go why that was a bad idea. So let's go ahead and sand the whole piece down. I know sanding is probably the thing that nobody look forward to, but hey, we are trying to make something beautiful here. So let's put our big girl pants on and sand the thing down. It is not really enjoyable. We don't like it, but we have to do it. Now for the fun part, the painting process. You know, the part where you get to breathe in all those chemicals. it's like fumigation but with more stress because you're actually trying to make something look good. I'm not going to prime this one because we are doing dark color, and this is the beauty of working with dark color to do much. And also the wood that I'm working with, as I said earlier, this is a cheap wood. It already like primed. My work is just like to give it a color. If I can decide to leave it the brown, whatever that color is, it will still be okay because it is not the good wood. So with the MDF pieces, as long as you did your sanding, the paint should stick better. It should stick way easier than any piece of wood. If someone ever asks me like the best or the easier paint to work with, I will say dark colors, and that including black. But also black is really funny because if you use like a bad brush, it will definitely show all those brush strokes, and even the tiniest mistake is impossible to ignore, especially during the finishing bit. Black can really shout. If you see me ignoring the inside part of these drawers, like I'm not going to do anything on the inside part, it is very intentional. I just want to work on the outside parts. As I said earlier, I'm using the dresser to store my tools, so I love them, but I'm not bothered with the inside part. So a tip I learned, like to store your brush kama bado hujamaliza, you wrap them using foil kama hii. You wrap them using foil, then you store them in the fridge. So meaning so that kama hujamaliza kupaint unaweza zitumia, but the moment umemaliza, like I'm not going to paint again, I normally throw them. Yes, because I can't clean them, especially the oil based paint. You can't really clean them. The water based you can clean it, but for the oil one, it's too much work. My sander decided to do the most, so I'm just going to use a sandpaper to just sand the whole thing down. This is where I said that I made some mistake with these drawers when I was removing the molding. You will see it here now, but since I'm still going to cover it with some molding also, I'm not very much like concerned because we need to hide those mistakes. The design is all about hiding the mistake. It was not part of the design, but now because of the mistake, it is part of the design. These tiny pieces took me forever to just attach them on the drawer because of the design, the style that I was going for. I really took my time to like measure and make sure every piece was in place. As you can see, I still have different colors. This is because some of this molding I already have. This is the beauty of DIY. If you have some materials, you really don't have to use like new materials. So I also had some pieces, so I was just collecting and seeing how much I was going to buy. So you'll see different colors, but since I was going to like paint the whole thing black, I was not so much worried. After painting, and I realized I could still see my mistake, so I decided to take a break and first fix the back of it. The back of it ilikuwa inakaa nika inatoka, so with some tiny nails I went ahead and nailed them. I also decided to spray paint the legs gold instead of buying a new set, because we are not spending money on this one, so we are working on a tight budget. So I just spray paint the whole thing, like the legs gold, and I love them. I really do. I'm not a fan of gold though, but this one really did surprise me. So to go on the last ride, so we have put in so much hard work and it is time to show off. So what is my plan for like finishing touches? First, you always want to get like a new set of handles. This one is a game changer. If you ever want to like refresh your dresser, your drawers, your cabinet without doing a lot, please just change the handles. You can always get very cute handles, Kikomba, if you are familiar with Kikomba. They do have some quality handles, but I went with the most common handles, the gold one, because my legs, remember, they are gold. So, and also for the paint, I'm going in with a clear varnish to just, you know, protect the paint. I don't want the paint to be chipping off, because I said this dresser is going to be busy, plus it give a really shiny finish. This flip was a gamble to me, but if you're willing to put in the work, the end result will be worth it, and who knows, you may even create a masterpiece that you are proud to show off for maybe a couple of years to come. Imagine the satisfaction that comes with saying, I flipped that dresser myself. Thank you very much. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave down a comment, let me know your thoughts, and I will see you in the next one. I'm off to start another project. Bye bye.